Welcome back to the channel The Nth Drives. So this is my new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Basically it's an adventure edition. So we have got all these inbox elements. So one, we got the camera itself, and there are 3 batteries provided with the battery case, runs for longer time, and there is a 1.5 meter extension rod which can be used as a selfie stick, and there are 2 locking screws, and there is a protection frame, and there is a curved adhesive one, and there are 2 magnetic clips, and the other one is type C charging cable. So now let's go ahead and unbox this. So these are accessories, and this one is the camera, and there is a selfie stick, and that's it. So let's keep this aside. So first let's see what all the accessories we have got. So as I told you, there is one clip, and there is a charging cable, and there is some paperwork, and there is a charging case for the extra batteries. I didn't expect this to be so sleek. It's really thin. Osmo branding here, and it is getting charged. I think I need to put it to charge for some time and then use it. How do I get this out? Okay, just pull it out. One clip here, and now the camera itself. So let's get this out of the plastic wrap. Wow, this feels so amazing. I mean, the quality, the finish is really good. DJI has never disappointed in this. I already have the first DJI Osmo Action. Let me show you that as well. Yeah, this one, the Osmo Action, which worked really cool. Fantastic job. So that's the reason why I've gone for DJI again. Now let's open the camera. Silica gel. All right. This is camera. These are the 2 screws. This is the case. One curved adhesive, and the other one is the clip. So basically 2 clips, as the contents mentioned. One curved adhesive mount, and let me figure out what this is. And finally the camera itself. The touch finish is really fantastic on this. So this is the compartment. And let me take out one battery. And I should slot in this way. Right, now let me turn on this. Yes, it goes on. Alright, I need to scan this QR code, but yeah, it's already there in my mobile phone. So I'll skip this for this time. Alright, 25. So this is date 21, and this is month 8. Time 12:36. PM. So this is the shutter record button. Swipe left and right to go to change the settings or select the mode. So it's in the video mode right now. Tap to adjust, tap to hold the zoom. Oh my goodness, this is really good. Battery percentage 43%. That's about the camera. And so once I remove this, we will have a clear view, and I'll keep posting about this much more in my future vlogs. So this is going to be my primary camera for the vlogs going forward, and I'll be using this. Thank you so much.